Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel PhD Digital Maths. Today we are going to start exercise 10.1 chapter circles, and if you have visited first time to my channel, so please subscribe and press the bell icon for the new updates. And those who have missed the introductory session of circle, you can click the I button. You will get the video of the introduction to circles there. So let's start today's session. How many tangents can a circle have? That means what? Circle में कितने tangents हम draw कर पाएंगे? Okay, this is a circle. यहाँ पे मैंने एक tangent draw किया. यहाँ पे another tangent. यहाँ पे another tangent, यहाँ पे और एक tangent. So just like this, how many tangents we can draw? So the answer is for every point of a circle we can draw a tangent. Therefore, infinite tangents can be drawn. How many? Infinite tangents can be drawn. Answer is infinite tangents. That means बहुत सारे tangents. वहां पे no calculation. ऐसे ही आप draw करते जाओगे ना, बहुत सारे निकल जाएंगे एक ही point में. So वैसे एक एक point करके बहुत सारे tangents हमें मिल जाएंगे. Next, fill in the blanks. Question number 2. A tangent to a circle intersect it in dash points. This is a circle. It is a tangent. कौन कितने points में intersect हो रहा है circle का? Only one point. Okay. A line intersecting a circle in 2 points are called. Already ये मैंने आपको पहले सेशन में इंट्रोडक्शन सेक्शन में आपको बताई थी. When a line intersect a circle in 2 points, that line is called secant. Okay. उसे क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? Secant. A circle can have dash parallel tangents at the most. At the most कितने parallel tangents हो सकते हैं? Only 2. This is 1, this is 2, right? कितने parallel tangents हो सकते हैं? 2. How many parallel tangents? 2 maximum. Maximum circle can have 2 parallel tangents which can be drawn to the opposite side of the center. That means ये center है, यहाँ पे एक हो सकता है, or else यहाँ पे एक हो सकता है parallel. So answer is 2 parallel tangents at the most. The common point of the tangent to a circle and the circle is called common point. मतलब this one, tangent का और circle का जो common point है, this one. So this point is known as point of contact. क्या बोलते हैं इसे? Point of contact. Done? Contact. ये जो point है इसे बोलते हैं point of contact. Question number 3. A tangent PQ at a point P of a circle of radius 5 centimeter meets a line through the center O at a point Q so that OQ is equal to 12 centimeter, length PQ is equal to how much? We need to find out. First we will draw the figure. This is a circle, tangent. Okay, so tangent is point P of the circle. Okay, this is P and this is Q given, and O is the center of the circle. Now OP is radius. This is also given 5. OQ, that is also given 12. So we need to find out PQ. Okay, according to our first theorem. Okay, theorem एक बार पहला वाला याद करो. Here PQ is a tangent which touches a point P of the circle, right? And OP is 5 centimeter, and that is OP is the radius. Now अभी join करेंगे OQ को. Join OQ which is 12 centimeter. since radius of a circle OP is perpendicular to the tangent PQ according to the theorem 1. क्या होता है? OP is perpendicular to PQ. OP is perpendicular to PQ. Therefore, OPQ, which type of triangle? This is a right angle triangle. Which right angle triangle? So here we can use Pythagoras theorem to find out PQ. PQ is equal to OQ square minus OP square, so under root. So this is 12 square, that means 144 minus 25. So 119 square root of 119. Option में यहाँ पे नोट square root है. Okay, so correct option is option D. Under root 119 cm is the correct answer. Question number 4. Draw a circle. चलो draw करते हैं एक circle. And two lines parallel to a given line such that one is tangent and another one is secant. So given draw करने के लिए एक तो हमें पता चला circle draw करना है और एक tangent draw करना है और एक secant draw करना है. Okay, this is the tangent and this is what? Secant, right? ये tangent है, ये secant है. But और एक लाइन कहाँ है? वो बोला कि draw a circle and two lines parallel to a given line. So given line is also a secant. अगर given line tangent होगा तो और एक secant हम लोग draw नहीं कर पाएंगे. What is the question में क्या बोला है? एक tangent चाहिए, एक secant चाहिए parallel given line के साथ. So this is the given line. आया समझ में? गिवन लाइन सेकेंड होगा तभी जाके और एक सेकेंड ऑपोजिट साइड में चाहिए, एक सेकेंड और टैंजेंट, एक साइड में टैंजेंट और एक साइड में सेकेंड आएगा. ओके, सो डन. एक्सरसाइज 10.1 इज ओवर. Okay, if you have any doubts, any queries regarding the introductory part also, अगर उसमें कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आया children, then just feel free to mention your doubts in the comment section. Okay, so thank you, bye bye, see you in the next session.